Hi guys, it's your girl Tash, back with another video tutorial. To all my subscribers, big up on yourself, you don't know, up. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to over and plait with extension. I have had a few questions as to whether or not it is possible to do the over and plait with extensions. And although I responded that it was possible, I thought it would be best if I showed you guys how I made it possible. Also, if you're a beginner, please check out my video tutorial on a dozen ways to braid, as I went through the 12 stages that will help you to become better at braiding. I will leave the link below for that video tutorial. So the first step we're going to take is to part the hair into your desired shape and size, then section that part into 3 sections. The second step is to section the extensions according to the density of the plait that you want to achieve. Once you get your desired thickness, section again into 3 or 4 pieces. Also try to make the first piece of extension with the same density as the 3 pieces that you've sectioned out on the hair, so that it doesn't look too bulky to begin with. So the third step is to take the right section of the hair to cross over the middle section and hold it into place. And you can use any fingers that makes you feel comfortable, because everybody's hands and fingers operate differently. So do whatever works best for you. Step 4. Now take your first piece of extension and place it over the right section, which is now in the middle, and the middle section, which is now on the right. And now you're going to bring the left section over the middle and start plaiting 2 or 3 times to make sure that your braid is secure before adding any more extensions. So now that my braid is secure, I am going to add my second piece of hair in the same way as before. So remember, I placed it over the middle section and the right section. This time I am just plaiting once or twice to make sure that's in position, and then I am going to add the third piece and so forth. So now look underneath. It's also knotless underneath, so you can put this up or down, it doesn't matter. It just looks beautiful and natural either way. I am just going to do this a couple more times for you so that you can get the hang of it. So now I am going to continue this process to a finish. So now that I have completed everything, it's looking lovely. So this is my version of adding extensions to overhand plaits. Please drop a comment in the section below to give your thoughts on this technique. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you like my video. You can also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to see more amazing hairstyles. Coming up next on my channel is bleaching the knots gone wrong. Oh my god, this is bad. This is really bad. So make sure that you subscribe to see all I got from A to Z. Thank you guys for watching and see you again soon.